Take a look at this oak tree. Isn't it amazing? Oaks make beautiful seeds called acorns. The seeds of acorns are enclosed in a thick skin with a cupule or cap on top. Can you see how the cap is hollowed out? Because of that shape, you can make a whistle with the cap of an acorn. Make sure your hands and the acorn cap are clean and that you don't share the same cap with anyone else. Hold the acorn cap flat with the hollow side upright. Place your hands together with your thumbs touching over the top of the cap. Tilt your thumbs outward to form a V shape. The acorn is covered up except for a small triangle that you formed with your thumbs and the edge of the acorn cap. Next, place your bottom lip right on your knuckle and blow down into the acorn. Might take a little practice, but soon you'll be making a good, strong sound. Have fun!